Starting off with the 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper in stealth gray, just look at that aggressive stance. The front end has been completely redesigned. Sleeker lights, minimalist grille, and a sportier profile overall. Even the side mirrors and wheel arches feel tighter and more refined. Being an EV, it's silent, smooth, and seriously efficient. And just look at it plugged in. One of the biggest perks of owning a Tesla is the convenience of charging at home or at superchargers. No more gas station stops. Now right here we've got the Tesla Model 3 in Quicksilver. That glossy metallic shine really pops in daylight, and the sleek, low stance gives it a super sporty look. Classic Tesla DNA with modern touches. Next up, another 2026 Model Y Juniper, but this time in Quicksilver. The color is stunning. It reflects every curve of the new design, especially the reshaped headlights and sculpted body lines. The updated wheels and trim really complete the premium feel. You get SUV space, Tesla tech, and performance, all wrapped in a head-turning finish. Perfect balance of utility and flair. And as we finish off, take a look at the rear profiles of both the Model Y and the Model 3. Clean lines, modern taillights, and that unmistakable Tesla badge. Futuristic but still familiar.